Quilt Nation, Quilt Marine here. So I know you've been watching, you've been looking over my shoulder, like, what's he doing? What's that on the wall? So on our last cruise, on our Patriot cruise, Rob did a trunk show, all right? In case you don't know who I'm talking about, Rob Austell, a great inspirer of mine and a good friend. So he did a trunk show, and me and my wife were sitting in the back of the room watching him peel out these great applique quilts, and Rob's talking about it matter-of-factly, like it's nothing. Meanwhile, me and the wife are in the back, we're like, oh, look at that. So Rob's quilts are so amazing that he inspired me to start my own applique project, and it is this. So this is a Buffalo Soldier, but I'm gonna name the quilt the First Sergeant because of its rank. So what I did was I pulled up a photo, I blew it up, I projected it onto this blank wall, then I put this paper down and traced it out. So as you can see, I have like color codes for all the areas I'm gonna be working on. And now the challenge is, and here's my legend of the colors that I'll be using. All right, he's a Buffalo Soldier. So what I'm gonna be doing is, we're gonna put this together with, of course, right? But I was so inspired by what Rob was able to do and how he does his applique. And if you don't know, go on YouTube, pull up Rob Austell applique, and he has a great process in how he teaches it, and you can learn how to do applique. But we're gonna do this together, okay? It's been a while since we've done a quilt all together. So I've already got some Island Batik cinnamon colors that came in. It's a bundle, so it ranges from a brown to a really light tan. So I'm working on looking for some blues so that I can catch the color of his blue uniform. We got blacks already for his belt and some other features on here. And I think I'm gonna do in this open space, like a super, maybe a tannish yellow, and on the background, maybe even darker, so it seems like light's being projected this way. But yeah, we're looking forward to doing this. I can't wait to do it, right? So once this quilt is done, this applique, we finish this, I'm gonna send it off to Detroit, well, Flint, Michigan, actually. They invited me up there to be a guest speaker, and I want to dedicate, I want to do this quilt for that event. And I want to be able to talk about this quilt and the process, but the people who are expecting me to come up can actually see how this quilt was built, okay? I cannot wait, right? I've been waiting for some batiks to show up. I'm gonna work on maybe getting some Island Batiks, maybe some Tongas, and put them in. I don't want to distract from the First Sergeant himself with the types of batiks that I use. I just want you to be able to see what, we put together, okay? This is my artistic side coming out. Rob was such an inspiration. Seeing what Rob does and how he does it and his capabilities, it just makes me want to be better at what I do in quilting, okay? Thank you to Rob. Thanks to Steph. Stephanie is my buddy too. Stephanie teaches. Look, go over to Steph's page. She's a great, great teacher, great artist, and she's really, really influential in what we do. Stay tuned. I'll show you what shows up. So hopefully in this video, up here or down here or next, my wife will show you a picture of this laying on the table with some of the colors that I'll be using. I took a picture of this laid out with some of the colors I'll be matching into this thing. And I can't wait. Look, so, don't forget, Shipshewana. It's coming up June 8th to the 13th, Shipshewana, Indiana. We can't wait. It's gonna have a great time. We're gonna be having fun up there, okay? But after that, we're gonna go hard on the First Sergeant, right? I can't wait to see how it comes out. Can't wait for you guys to experience me putting together an applique portrait, I guess you would call it. But this won't be the first, it won't be the last. We'll do plenty more of these because I've got some that I really want to get into And this is going to be the test run and how I do it in the future, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. And remember, it's only fabric and it's only thread.